Okay, the last section is solving equations where you have variables on both sides. So all the ones that we've been working with, your variables have only been on one side. Now you're going to have variables on both sides. 1, if you have any parentheses, you have to get rid of those first, and we'll do it through the distributive property. Combine any like terms, shrink these problems down as much as you can, and then we'll start moving constants around, and we'll move variables with, or terms with variables around too. Okay. So here I don't have any parentheses on the left, and I don't have any parentheses on the right. I don't have anything on the left that I can combine because this doesn't have an x in it, so they're not like terms. So now I'm going to move my constants around. Constants are the whole numbers by themselves. So what I'm going to do is really what I'm doing is I'm moving this 19 over here. Okay? Or you can look at it as I'm going to get rid of it on the left side. If I'm going to get rid of it on the left side through subtraction, I have to get rid of it on the right side through subtraction. So that cancels. You're left with 6x. Okay, this side I have the 3x, and now I have negative 8 minus 19. Subtraction problem with negatives is keep, change, change, and that gives you negative 27. Okay. You want all of your variables to be on the left side, so now I'm going to move any terms with variables from the right side to the left side. So that means I'm going to get rid of it here. I get rid of the 3x through subtraction because it's a positive 3x. And if I subtract 3x on that side, I have to subtract 3x on that side. So 6 minus 3 is 3x. That side cancels. Left with negative 27. To get the x by itself, I'm going to divide by 3, divide by 3. X equals negative 9. Again, you can take that number and you can plug it in anywhere you see an x and see if it works out. All right, here I don't have any parentheses on the left, I don't have any parentheses on the right. 2, combine any like terms. Well, these two right here are like terms, and those two right there are like terms on that side. Okay, so the 3x is going to stay. The negative 9 minus 11 is keep, change, change. It gives you negative 20. 12x minus 6x is 6x. And keep your plus 43. So I combined my like terms, so I'm working with less stuff. Now I'm going to move my constant over to the right. If it's minus 20, we're going to add 20 to both sides. I'm left with 3x. 6x stays. 43 plus 20 is 63. And now I'm going to move the 6x over here, or get rid of it on this side. It's a positive 6x, so I'm going to subtract. This is 3 minus 6, or 3 plus negative 6. If you do keep, change, change. It's one of each. You subtract. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 is bigger, so it's negative 3x equals 63. Negative 3x here equals 63. Now you have a multiplication problem. Opposite of multiply is divide. Divide both sides by negative 3. 63 divided by 3 is 21, and a positive divided by a negative is a negative.